Okay, so hello everyone, welcome to our group presentations and we are ISPBanana. Okay, so right now we are currently in the sprint 5 and we're gonna update what we have done in this sprint. Okay, but for your acknowledge, I want to mention that uh, we haven't improved any feature because we already finished all of the feature in the last sprint. So this sprint is mainly about the maintenance, fixings, and improved some of user experience. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so for what we have done, we have three main topic, which is a responsive and UX improvements, a fixing bugs, and security improve. Okay, let's go with responsive and UX improvements. Okay, so for responsive and UX improvements, right now for our website, we are support the mobile perspective, which is gonna look something like this. Okay, in profile for the header, it's gonna look like this. You can go learn. Learn is gonna look something like this. Yeah. Okay. And about us. Search. Request. Okay. Profile. Okay. Garden. Learning dashboard. Yeah, it's gonna be a little bit color, but it's all good. Okay, and also the footer that changed to this one. Okay, so this all for the responsive in quick, and for the second part is the UX improvement. So we talk with our teams and we find out there's a problem with the 5N feature and garden feature that when someone requests us, we don't know that someone requests us. We need to go check that. So we add the red dot button like this when someone sends you a request. It's gonna have a red dot like this, and if you click in this search page, it's gonna have a red dot in request too, so you can click accept or reject, which is also true in the garden invite. Okay, so wait, I forgot to invite. Okay, so for if I invite him, okay, which is my second account, and then I go with my second account. Okay, in garden it's gonna have a red dot too if someone invite you, so you can click accept or reject. Okay, so that's what we improve in user experience. And yeah, I just remember that I forget to mention about the responsive in the admin page, but mostly it's just like the same, but we just changed the way to appear the diary of the container, which is gonna change from this row thing to the box like this. That's all for the admin responsive. Okay, that's all for the first one. Let's go to the second one. For the second one, we're fixing a bug which have a mainly 5 problems. The first one is the client and server time zone is not matched, so we need to change it by we want client to use the Google time instead of their computer time. Okay, and secondly, the API spam, which after user learn, they can click spam the submit to get a lot of data, like a lot of EXP, a lot of achievements, and it's gonna make the website really lag, so we prevent it. And the thirdly is the process bar overflow. When user reach the amount of EXP, instead of it's gonna reset the process bar to 0, it's overflow, and yeah, overflow. Fourth is the scam of the dashboard EXP that is not matched the real data. So we fix it by we just realized that in database we haven't collect the real score, so yeah, we have to collect it again by fixing the database and update the font and API line. And lastly is learning level is stuck at the level 34 because in font we limit the amount of data to be the 100, so it's stuck in level 34 because the formula is 100 divided by 3 floor down and then plus 1. Yeah, so we fix this by remove the limit of the data. Okay, so that's all for the number 2. And for number 3, in security improvements, mainly we just delete the console log for the deploy website. We improve the input parsing and validations for query, and we also parameterize SQL to prevent the SQL injections. Okay, so what went wrong?
Okay, so the thing that's go wrong quite bad is well, not that bad because it's quite an easy fix is the that the we deploy our website both front end and back end on a own laptop that I run using Ubuntu server. But for some reason, one day it's just Ubuntu server just crash and stop working, and we well I can't replicate it, I can't reproduce it, I don't know how it happened. So yeah, it might happen again. Hopefully not, but yep, that's all that I got from here.
Yeah, that is the crazy problem that we may need to find the way to prevent it. Okay, so what we're gonna do in the next sprint, of course, is testing. It's testing time. So thank you for listening. Sorry for a little bit late for 1 minute, but all good. Okay.